guys, welcome to another episode of Mealtime at Disneyland. Today, we're back in downtown Disney, Anaheim, California. Meeting up with my folks today at a restaurant that you guys are probably very familiar with. It's actually one of my most popular episodes on a Disneyland video series channel right now. This is the sequel, and it is the Rainforest Cafe. Yes, I'm making a sequel. Rainforest Cafe. We're waiting to do this for a long time. Here we go. It's really humid in here. There's a cool volcano right there. Got a gigantic fish tank.
Just see how they take a little bit to dry.
Alright, so I got a place and check it out. Oh, we got a dragonfly, yikes! So it looks like we got a little bit of the Aurora Borealis or something going on up there. There's a couple gorillas over there, there's another butterfly. Look at that fish tank over there. I'm looking at burgers here, and this BBQ Bacon Cheeseburger looks awfully good. Uh-oh, there's thunder and lightning. It's getting dark out there. That gorilla over there is getting a little restless. Whoa, that was cool. Oh, they got Souvenir pennies here. I reordered my food, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these while I wait. Alright, so these are hand cranks, which are different from the other ones. Alright, here we go. So the first one we're getting is that one, so here we go. There it is. So that's the first one there. The next one is going to be the snake. I think it's a python, actually. Oh, shoot. I made a mistake. I really messed up on that one. This is going to be weird. Wait a minute. Oh, it actually came out pretty good. Alright, the next one is going to be the head right there. Change of plans. I'm getting the fish first, then this guy. I forget what do you call him. A macaw, that's what it's called. There we go. There we go. Awesome. And last but not least, on this one, we're gonna get the macaw. There we go. All right. There we go. Oh, that was close. There we go. Okay, so here is the other one here. Looks like two of them are the same, but two are different. So we're gonna go ahead and get the original two first, and then looks like we're gonna get the lion and then the hippo. All right, so the first one we're gonna get is the logo. There we go. The next one I'm gonna get is the python again. Make sure I get it on the right one. There we go. There it goes. Yeah. So the next one we're gonna get is the lion. Gonna get to the right one. There we go. Awesome. There's that one. Last but not least, the hippo. There's the hippo. There it is. Do it really fast this time. There we go. There's the hippo.
What do you want to have?
Now we have the entire collection of the Rainforest Cafe pressed pennies. And there it is, the BBQ Bacon Cheeseburger. I got also a pickle slice, or slice of pickle, however you want to call it, and French fries. First bite. Whoa. Whoa. I was not expecting that. That was strong. There we go. Everything's gonna fall apart. After removing the tomato and the lettuce, and there's actually an onion ring Dad's eating right now. There's the bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon. Like epic mealtime. Well, not even close to epic mealtime, but still, it's bacon. First bite of burger with bacon. I just bit into the bacon. Hold on 1 second, I'll try again. Okay, take two. Burger. That burger tastes good, especially with the barbecue sauce. If you guys want to get a good burger out in downtown Disney, get this one. This is good. I really like this a lot. It's got these elephants on here. Over there on Mom's side, there's actually a zebra, giraffes, and some cheetahs. More elephants. There's a lion. Oh, I have another one here. There's macaws and toucans. Yeah, these are really cool seats. So if you get a booth, you might actually get like several different seats that have different like types of animals. Oh yeah, and the table has fish. Oh look, I found Dory. All right, so I'm done. But before we go, let's take a look at these animatronics here. Here's your butterfly. I don't know if you saw that, but that gorilla just moved a few minutes ago. There's a spinning globe right there. We got a lizard. What's cool about these gorillas is that they will be swinging around up here. Not from branch to branch, just swinging on the branch they're hanging from. There's a frog right there. I wonder if it's a poisonous frog. These are more animatronic gorillas here. Animatronic butterfly right there. There's another gorilla right there. Here's some elephants over here. There's a gigantic fish tank right there. You know who this monkey reminds me of? He reminds me of Dexter from Night in Museum. There should be some other... Oh, there's another butterfly up there. More monkeys. Here's another lizard. That's the kitchen area right there. The charging rhino. So the chimpanzee there. And that's the this is actually the second level of the restaurant. Got the sky up here. And every once in a while, it will actually rain. I say rain with quotations because it doesn't really rain in here. It's just a water effect. But there's thunder and lightning in here, and there's like, you know, it's just really cool. at the size of those elephants over there. Jeez. All right, so just before we go, the barbecue bacon cheeseburger was awesome. I got it well done. It's nice and juicy. I don't think it really depends on how juicy it is, even if you get like medium rare or I just get it well done. It's juicy even when it's well done, but still, it was good. French fries were awesome. That pickle though, whew, yikes. We're in the gift shop right now. It's like right before you go up to the restaurant. There's a sloth. There's some lions here, stuffed lions. Got an ass lion. Oh, that's funny. A lion with headphones. There you go. Yeah, yikes, there's a snake. Thankfully, it's not in my boot. Ah. The quarters. Apparently, there's more than just pennies here. Wait, actually, why don't I get them now? How did I completely miss this? Well, first off, we're gonna get is, let's see, looks like a lemur. This is gonna be really difficult because these are quarters. Ugh. All right, there's the first one. Next one we're gonna get is the rhino. Gotta hurry this up. I'm running out of time. There we go. 2 out of 4. All right, next one is the jaguar. Here we go. That's that one, and then last but not least, I thought that was a koala, but it's not. It's another animal. I apologize. That's the last one. Crunch. Awesome. There we are. There they are. There's the first one. There's the second one. There's the third one. And there's the fourth one. So here's what the restaurant looks like at night. Really cool place. Come and check it out right here in downtown Disney. Right next door to ESPN Zone. And also directly next to the monorail station that takes you directly into Tomorrowland. All right, that's it for this episode of Mealtime at Disneyland. See you guys next time here on the Disneyland video series. Bye!